Welcome. In this video, I'm just going to take you through how to do the first assignment. Let me try over here with the update. It sounds a lot harder than it really is. So we're going to click on Let Me Try. And then it's going to tell you use the query design button to the result of the agent and listings file, blah, 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 blah. And it wants you to put an S in there as a criteria. So the very first thing we need to do is go into create. And then we need to do design query or query design. And we want the listing tables. You can either double click on listings or you can click on listings and choose add. I'll just double click on listings and then I can close the table. Once I've done that, then what I need to do is add the fields that I want in a query. And it's pretty easy to do. So we're going to do the result first. So I'll double click on result. And then I'll click over here and I'll double click on agent. So now we have the two fields that we want, and the criteria is we want an S in here. So I'm going to type in a capital S in here. Then I'm going to hit the tab key just to make sure there's no things that are going to get complained about. Once we're done with that, what we want to do is run a query that gives that results over here. So we click on design, and then we don't need to really click on select. It may give you an error anyway. Since it's a simulation, we're going to click on run, and that takes care of that. Green is good. So now it gives us the actual query with everybody that has a S in here. So we got to go back into design view in here. So it says return to design view and change the query to update query. So to update the value in the agent field, said none, blah, 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 blah. So again, we need to click in design over here. And we want to click on update. Now, if you look over here, there's no update in there. So we have to click on update. And what it's going to say is we're going to update to, and I believe it wants none. So I'm just going to type in none here. Hit the tab key again. And if everything's fine, we won't get any errors. So now all we have to do is click on run. It should give you a request to verify. It says you're about to update 9 rows, blah, 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 blah. Click on yes. And we're done. And that completes that. And then we need to save the update as SD to none. So we can right click, choose save, and type in update. Spelling does count in this. To none. Click on OK. And we're done. So when we continue, it just takes us to the next one over here. So that's all there is to it. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, please let me know.